Hey everyone, this is Naren and welcome back to a new session of English with me. Today we are going to deal with a simple topic. Since we are not beginners and we don't want to use those simple words, we are moving to a little bit advanced English. So these are two words that you can use in your advanced English. And the words are synonyms and antonyms. What are synonyms and antonyms? You might think these are very difficult words, but these are very simple. Their meaning is very simple, and I'll give you some tricks to learn synonyms and antonyms easily by the end of this video. Now let's first start with synonyms. Synonyms are similar words. Example, big, large. Both are sizes, big sizes. They are big. Chuckle, laugh. Both are way of laughing. Happy, joyful. Both are expressions of happiness, showing joy, happiness. Start, begin. Fast, quick. Smart, intelligent. So, synonyms are similar words. In English, we usually say, give me another word for happy. Give me another word for joy. Give me another word for large. Now, instead of saying this another word, you can now use another word for this another word, and that is synonym. You know, even I used another word a lot of times. During my school days when we have to write some projects or essays, I usually search on Google like, give me another word for exhausted, or give me another word for authentic. Like that, I used to always type another word, but now I changed myself. After knowing about this word synonym, I started using the word synonym. Now let's look at antonym. Antonyms are opposite words. Example, hot, cold, big, small, up, down, old, young, happy, sad. So, antonyms are the opposite words. Give me an opposite word for laugh. It is cry. So, laugh and cry are antonyms. Isn't this very simple? Antonyms and synonyms. Now start using these words, antonyms and synonyms, when you are speaking in English or when you are looking for something. Now let's see how to learn antonyms and synonyms easily. The first step is to read a lot. Expose yourself to a variety of texts to encounter or to get hold of different words. Start looking for new words and search about that word. Look for its meaning, look for its opposite, and start learning new words, their antonyms and their synonyms. The second method is to make flashcards. Whenever you find a new word, make a little flashcard, write its synonym on the card and also its antonym, and review those flashcards daily. This can help you understand new words through repetition. And whenever you are learning a new word and looking for its antonym and synonym, they are actually bonus. You know, you are learning 3 new words. A word, its antonym, synonym. See, 3 words. And some words might have a lot of synonyms and a lot of antonyms. So you are getting yourself into a lot of new words. You are improving your vocabulary. The next step is to play word games. Engage in activities like crossword puzzles, Scrabble to make learning more fun and interactive. Playing such games can expose you to new words. That's it. Now, why are you learning this antonyms and synonyms? Why is it important? It can help you with better writing and speaking. When you are exposed to a lot of words, your vocabulary increases. You are learning new words and you can use them in your daily writings and even speaking. Also, it helps in easier understanding when reading. You can come across new hard words when you're reading, and you might be already familiar with it because you are exposed to a lot of new words. So, this is all about synonyms and antonyms in English. Wasn't this a very simple, easy session? But isn't this very useful? Now it's your turn. Find a word, look for its antonym and synonym, and write 3 sentences out of it. One with the new word that you found, then one with its synonym and one with its antonym. And don't forget to comment it down so that we all can learn English together. We can learn new words from your comments. So guys, this is all for today. I hope this video was useful. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Bye.